Nagpalitan ng kanilang best practices sa turismo ang mga organisasyon ng ASEAN bilang pagsisimula ng 63rd ASEAN National Tourism Organizations Meeting sa Cebu City. Yan ang report ni Jessie Atienza ng PTV Cebu.
Kapit-bisig na humarap sa media ang senior officials ng mga tourism organizations mula sa 11 mga bansa na miyembro ng Association of Southeast Asian Nations. Simbolo ng pagkakaisa at magandang relasyon. Agad sinimulan ang 63rd ASEAN National Tourism Organizations Meeting na naglalayong mapalago ang globally competitive tourism industry sa Southeast Asia na direktang makakabenepisyo sa mga lokal na komunidad.
As heads of national tourism organizations, we are all in a most critical spot and exciting position to transform vision into practice. What we decide and coordinate in the meetings like this translates into visitor journey, the competitiveness of our destinations, the resilience of our enterprises, and the livelihoods of our communities. So today, as we meet, exchange our best practices and strengthen cooperation, may our discussions lead to outcomes that are concrete and forward-looking. Outcomes that support sustainability without sacrificing growth, that accelerate digital transformation while protecting trust and safety, and that keep communities at the heart of the tourism economy so that the benefits of travel are felt not only in arrivals, but in myriads of opportunities.
Inaasahan din na kabilang sa mapag-uusapan ng tourism officials ang mas pinadaling pagbiyahe, connectivity at responsible tourism practices.
As we gather today, we have a valuable opportunity to build upon our past successes while charting innovative pathways for sustainable tourism development. Our agenda reflects the critical priorities that will define our sector's future, from enhancing seamless travel facilitation and connectivity to promoting responsible tourism practices. So let us continue to strengthen our partnerships and align our efforts in steering towards a more vibrant, resilient and future-ready ASEAN tourism landscape.
Bahagi lamang ang 63rd ASEAN National Tourism Organizations Meeting sa serye ng mga aktibidad ng ASEAN Tourism Forum sa Cebu. Taong 1998 dito sa Cebu ay opisyal na nilagdaan ang Ministerial Understanding on ASEAN Cooperation on Tourism, isang makasaysayang deklarasyon ng mga bansang nasa Timog Silangang Asya na nagkakasundo na maaaring umangat ang bawat isa sa larangan ng turismo na hindi kailangan ng kompetisyon kung hindi kolaborasyon tungo sa kaunlaran. Mula sa PTV Cebu, Jessie Atienza para sa Pambansang TV sa Bagong Pilipinas.